Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here to share with you one of my December dailies. I might try and make a video for each of the years that I have completed or your document December. Ellie Edwards, she's the founder of all this and called it December Daily. So what I'm going to do is just go through this one album. I think this holds 2019. And I mean, here it is. It's December 2nd today. And actually, that's kind of funny because we're in 2024 and December 2nd is also a Tuesday or also a Monday. Can you tell it's early? So I'm just going to go through and maybe have some inspiration for you, but also some inspiration for me because I'm working on my new album for this year and I felt like I needed some inspiration. So I can see here, yeah, I think everything you can see in the whole viewfinder. So this was December 1st. Oh my goodness. Oh no, this was like my oh, that's a good idea. Almost like my cover page, because I looked at a few other ones and the year wasn't there. So this is nice. It's just like all decorations, no pictures. I like that. So maybe something to keep in mind for this year. And we went on December 1st and we picked a tree. So I can tell you that since then we have bought a artificial tree so we can just bring it up. But I can also tell you another thing. I am not going to be putting up my tree that early this year for sure. Oh, and look here, just my December daily stuff, the book I was reading. And also it's kind of given me kind of feelings of, you know, what pictures to take and stuff. Because right now I got to start taking pictures and all that stuff. So, okay, so pictures of hockey, books, laundry day, more hockey. And I was still working then, so work day, a coffee at work, and then just some of the stuff that I was using on my face back then. So I could do that now too. So another work day, another coffee, more hockey. And you know what? When I worked 12-hour days. So it makes sense that, you know, the pictures are related to like work. And then here I just took a little bit of picture of the tree and stuff. Okay. Editing videos and my shampoo and stuff. It's fun to know, like, you know, here it is like 5 years later and I still use that same kind of shampoo. I am using different facial stuff though, so it'll be fun to do that. Okay. More hockey, more coffee, which I would still be working there because we did 2 days and 2 nights, right? Reading, still do not as much reading because I just don't have the time, but I love reading just as much. Gifts that I bought that year, and you know what? I thought of doing that yesterday because I ordered a gift yesterday, so I did take a picture. And oh man, I used to do my nails. Yeah. Oh, here's my son decorating the tree. Oh yeah, we did diamond painting pens then, and we worked on molds too for bath bombs. We don't do that anymore. That's when I bought my new chair. See, this is what I like. Just little things like that. It was like, oh, okay. So I redid my nails. Still working. So that must have been 4 or 5 days went by and back to work. Okay. See, again, not a lot of stuff because when I worked, I would get up at, 5 o'clock in the morning and not get home till 9 o'clock at night. Oh, I like the way I colored him. all in one color. Did I just color him as, oh no, I colored another one, but oh, I gotta keep that in mind. Work again. Oh, we had Mason. Oh, I must have went for a blood test. Oh, we went to a Wildcats game. See, that's fun to look at. We're at December 13th right now. Oh, he did skate with the cats. Oh, that's fun. Oh, my mom was here and saw Mason play. Oh, it was the Timbits tournament, I betcha. Yeah. Oh, man. Yeah, that feels like long ago. Oh, we had bought a gamer's chair for my son, and he got it before Christmas because it was hard to hide the fact, right? Because it came in and it wasn't in another box, so he saw it. So he put it all together. Okay. We went to another Wildcats game, and I think we went, oh no. No, this is cool. This was Canada versus US. It was the girls' team. That was fun. We liked that. Mason's concert. I think that's the last one we went to because of, you know, what happened after that. And now they don't do them anymore. He's too old. My kids did them till they were in grade 8, but I think it kind of changed everything. I don't know if that's when I bought my Yeti. It must have been. I still use this microphone to do my voiceovers. More hockey. He does a thing. Back then it was called CCM, but he does another one now. Hockey school, and it's called Bauer Academy. Oh, we're on December 21st. Oh, and there was a practice with his, like, another team for the spring. More hockey. We went to nieces and nephews. This is so fun to look at. Oh, yes, this is the year we went to my mom's and we had a bonfire on Christmas Eve. This was fun. This was Christmas Day. So it's fun to see all these things. So fun. December 28th, he was in a tournament. That's fun. I did. I was going to say I only went to the 29th, but what I did was I didn't take a lot of pictures from the 29th to the 31st, so I have them all on one page. That's something to remember too, because sometimes you don't have a lot of pictures, so just put a couple pictures, and I put the date here, and this is the 30th, and then this is the 31st, and I did it all in one color. So I really like that, and that's the only one in here. So whenever I find 2020, I'll probably try to put it in here and put 2 years in a row, because it's not a lot for one album. So I can definitely put another album in here. But not just that, is I have some page protectors in here. Ooh, a dip. I love that dip. And then a veggie dip too. Yum. I have to remember to take pictures of the food again. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed that. I know I got some inspiration just seeing what I did for some previous years. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit subscribe. If you're enjoying these videos, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.